Well, let's see where today's adventure takes us. Thinking about Hollywood Boulevard. Let's see what I decide when I get on the train. Okay, I made it here to Union Station. And I'm gonna switch trains, so I'm going to Hollywood, so I gotta switch to the red line. What I think is the B line now, so I have to go through here. Now when you go through here, look for something that catches your eye, you know. A lot of times people walking by. Right now I'll go to the back and I'll show you guys the shot I always take. I love that shot, alright? Okay, I'm here at the back of Union Station. Now, one shot I always take is this up here. Look how beautiful that is. In black and white, it comes out beautiful. So I always go to the back, become Union Station, and look around. Might find something you like. Now, another thing I said last time, remember where the bathrooms are at, or try to learn where they're at. If you go to that corner over there, behind there, there's all the bathrooms there. There's one in the front, there's one in the back. Okay, so I always remember where the bathrooms are at. It's kind of important. Now, when you change trains, make sure that you know which one to go to, because there's one on each side, and one doesn't go all the way. Make sure it is like North Hollywood, like that one says it right there. Okay. Okay, I got out here on Hollywood and Highland. Now, every time I get off here, I always take this one shot. I love the way it looks. This is just coming up the stairs off the escalator from the bottom there. I love the way this looks, especially in black and white. So if you get a chance, I'm down here. Try taking a shot. Like I said once in one of my previous videos, I like taking that picture of the stairs. It's kind of cool in black and white. Now when you go to the top of these stairs here, you end up in Hollywood and Highland. Okay, right in the heart of Hollywood Boulevard. So be prepared to get some awesome shots. Now here's the top of the stairs, the escalator. So you can see how distinct things here. Now you look around, you find a lot of colorful people, a lot of vendors. You can get some good shots. Here for street photography. So I'm right here, Hollywood Boulevard, and there's this little mall in here. Now, I tell you guys, bathrooms are important. Right in here, there's a little mall, like 3 or 4 bathrooms you can access. So make sure you know where they're at. If you go up the escalator on that little mall there to the top here, take shots from up here. But the good thing, if you turn around, you might miss it, but up there is the Hollywood sign. Now, from the top of this mall, it's kind of nice. I like coming up here, up the stairs, second level, because you can get a different angle, different perspective of Hollywood Boulevard. See, you're looking down on the people here. Across the street is the El Capitan. As you walk along, you can see more vendors and get a different angle for your shot. Here's a famous Promise Chinese Theater. I think they changed the name to TCL Chinese Theater. That's where you find all the signatures on the floor, on the cement of all the old movie stars. So come out here and try to find your favorite movie star. When you come out here, here are the pictures of the famous lions. There's one on each side. And look on top, the architecture. Beautiful. Oh, we're near the end. You'll find a good souvenir shop here in Hollywood. Right across the street from that, you'll see the old Roosevelt Hotel. Beautiful hotel. You can walk through it. It's a little dark in there, but beautiful. Get some low light shots. Yeah, well, I'm heading back out. Heading back home. It's starting to get dark. I want to get home before it gets too dark. Alright, I'll post the pictures so you guys check them out.